In this video, we will conduct an objective bake-off between SlashNext and Microsoft Defender for Office 365 by testing both solutions using malicious URLs found in SlashNext AI phishing detection database and URLs submitted by security practitioners to PhishTank's URL database. SafeLinks is the advanced anti-phishing feature in Defender. It rewrites URLs and email messages in order to perform time-of-click verification of URLs. In this lab environment, we have activated the SafeLink feature. We will randomly select 4 active credential-stealing URLs from SlashNext AI phishing detection database and send them via emails to our test account, protected by Microsoft SafeLinks. The 4 active credential-stealing URLs were sent in 4 separate emails to our test account. All 4 emails were delivered directly to our inbox. Microsoft's core anti-phishing, anti-spam, and anti-malware engines failed to classify these emails as phishing. The URLs in these emails are rewritten by SafeLink as the last line of defense. Clicking on the URL allows Microsoft to verify if the URL is phishing. In the first email, SafeLink correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the second email, SafeLink failed to block the web page impersonating Microsoft Office 365 login page, which is visually identical to the official web page. In the third email, SafeLink correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the last email, SafeLink failed to block the web page impersonating another Microsoft login page. In this demonstration, Microsoft SafeLink only blocked 50% of the credential-stealing phishing attacks. In the second half of this demonstration, we want to compare the efficacy of the SlashNext solution against Microsoft by using the 4 most recent URLs in PhishTank's URL database. The URLs from PhishTank were sent in 4 separate emails to our test account. Microsoft's base protection service blocked 1 of the 4 emails. The URLs in the remaining emails were rewritten by SafeLink. In the first email, SafeLink correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the second email, SafeLink correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the last email, SafeLink failed to block this credential-stealing web page. Microsoft has a detection rate of 75% against the phishing URLs crowdsourced from the internet community. We are going to use the same 4 URLs to test the detection rate of SlashNext browser phishing protection. SlashNext uses virtual browsers and machine learning to identify over 40,000 unique phishing URLs a day. Our patented technology identifies zero-hour phishing threats hours and sometimes days ahead of Microsoft. In the first instance, SlashNext correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the second instance, SlashNext correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the third instance, SlashNext correctly blocked the web page as phishing. In the last instance, SlashNext correctly blocked the web page as phishing. SlashNext blocked 100% of the phishing URLs from PhishTank's URL database. In addition to SlashNext's high detection rates and unparalleled accuracy, there is time-of-click training. When a phishing attack is blocked, the user sees a screenshot of the attack page and a description of the specific threat to educate the user on how to recognize a phishing threat. In conclusion, Microsoft Defender for Office 365 is not effective against phishing attacks 25% of the time, and they missed 50% of the threats already detected by SlashNext. In addition, SlashNext's performance was superior by detecting and blocking 100% of the threats tested. To see how this test performs in your own environment, take our Phishing Challenge risk assessment today.